everyone, it's my honor to perform the function of BMT08 for you. First, we should connect the device of BMT08 to the OBD connector. Click on Vehicles, click on Battery, click on Battery Match. For the latest version, we choose BMW. We choose Manual Select. We select 5 series. We choose F18. Then we choose the second options, Execute Battery Replacement Record. Then we perform register battery change. The battery replacement is entered in the DME or DDE in the next test step. The engine does not have to be running and terminal 15 on. Attention, the entry cannot be cancelled. Currently registered battery capacity in DME or DDE is 91 Ah. We click ESC to continue. Now we choose the first option, Enter Battery Replacement Stand Capacity. The battery replacement is recorded in the engine electronics, DME or DDE. Please wait. It is under communication. Please wait for 20 seconds. Now, the battery replacement was registered successfully in the DME or DDE. The following data is now entered in the DME or DDE. Last battery replacement is 72,490 kilometers. The second last battery replacement is 72,440 kilometers.